Well, good morning. I'm here cutting. I'm gonna drop this one right in here. Cut some trees down with the ribbons on them. Gonna have all these on the ground today, and see behind me here, all the ones with ribbons, and cut them up the length. The customer will take them out, put them on a pile, and then later I'll come in with my sawmill and put them all in the lumber. I'm going to put them into 8-6, 10-6, and 4-6 is the length I'm going to put them. These are my 3 different sizes. So as soon as he gets this stuff out of the way, I'm going to drop this cherry. It's kind of the leaner, so we'll see what happens. He's out of the way now, so I'm going to cut her down. Well, we got finished up here today cutting all these logs out of here, and we got a fair amount of cherry. Got a real big oak right here, if you look at it right there. We thought that one there was going to be rotted, not worth anything. I cut into it and it was solid, and it's too big to get on my mill. I mean, it's 24 inches at the small end, and it's about 18 feet long. And so he's going to probably take it in to another mill that can handle these size logs, and he's going to just probably slab it. But we got cherry here, and we got the top of the oak that I'm going to cut and put it in the lumber. I can handle that one. There's like a 10 foot, and you see here it's gonna be nice cutting. Some of the cherry we need to cut it to length yet. And we're up here, all these treetops, what I dropped out in the yard so they can go make firewood out of it. And then I'm gonna have, I got some more down here. There's 2 more in the woods they haven't gotten out yet. They're gonna pull up the other side. But I'm probably looking at it, I've probably got 3,500 feet here that I need to cut at the least. And I got some more over here. You can see by those pine trees. We got some more over here to cut. Put in the lumber, got some hickory. I'm not too excited about the hickory, but hey, that's what we got, so that's what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna be putting the mill down here in the bottom. Guy's got brand new equipment. And so I bet we might even have close to 4,000 feet here to cut. But it's gonna be, yeah, the cherry's gonna be nice. We got the hickory right here. We got these hickory here. That was a blowdown, and they cut them up to shorter pieces, 8-footers. And I'll see what we can do with that. Hickory's pretty hard to cut, but we can get her done. And I'll set the mill up in here, and next week sometime, hopefully we can start to cut on it. So hopefully it all works out.